If you want to make copper sulfate blue color into white, basically original color or copper sulfate is blue greenish CuSO4.5 H2 water molecules. Then you should make blue into white. To first of all take 10 gram copper sulfate and grind up easily. Grind up on the After grinding and mastication, lubrication and grinding, then you should put on the burner within the hot plate. After 20 to 30 minutes after heating on the burner, this blue color change into white. Copper sulfate blue color change into white. No doubt this is a very energetic and activated on the chemistry lab. You should apply on different kushtasazi and different fates. So this is the basic purpose changing of color copper sulfate blue into white. A easy method, easy tricky method. You should put on the hot plate on the burner, and 20 and 30 minutes, within 20 and 30 minutes their color should be changed into white.